Hey there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can play Place Donate in Roblox. So it's really perfect if you're new in Roblox and you want to learn how the game works and how to set up your stand and how to start getting donations and all that stuff. So let's get started. So once you join the game, what you will have to do is claim a stand if you don't have one yet. And then what you will do is you will find an empty stand and then you will just have to tap claim like this, and then you will just have to click hold A if you're using your PC. And what you will do is you will click edit if you would want um to edit your stand. So yeah, you will add your sign text such as raising Robux for a avatar or something like that. So for example, I want to raise Robux for my avatar, so I will just have to click to enter racing Robux for my avatar. So yeah, something like that, and then you will just have to click enter so that it will be visible here. So yeah, once you have your boot name, what you will have to do is you could also, by the way, uh customize your text color, text font, and yeah, there are really a lot of options here. So as you can see, we now have the booth name. And then after that, you could also add game passes or items so that you will be able to receive the donations, of course. So what you will do is you will click this plus button right here, and basically you will need to sell something like a game pass, a shirt or t-shirt, and you will just have to show that prices are appear automatically on your stand once they exist in your inventory. And then you will just have to, of course, wait for the people to donate. And yeah, to start earning Robux donations, you'll need to make a game pass under a game of yours. And then you will copy this link to go to the page where you create a game pass for your experience. And yeah, after you visit the link, you will just have to choose a name, price, and image for your Game Pass. And then after filling in all required fields there, you can click Create Pass button to create your Game Pass. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And yeah, I hope this video helped. And if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.